Alright, this how you eat chicken, man. Another video, part 2. The first thing I ain't show y'all right. You rip it like, rip this off. Bite it. Ooh, that shit was hot.
What y'all got to drink?
Take a sip of the punch, you know. You grab that, just like that. Go like.
I eat that motherfucker. Love that shit.
You got your bread on side, you.
I know. See this nigga over here. See what he working with.
Let me show you how to really do it. See this part right here? This whole chicken wing right here. Snap the leg first. Get this out your way, because this is useful. I don't use the what do you want? The wing. I don't use that part. You just throw that shit over there. You know? That's all you. You break this shit right here.
This on me?
Tell me some. You can pick which one though. You can eat this one first or you can eat this one first.
Or you can eat both.
See me, I choose this first. You know, got the 2 bones in the middle, so you just do this right here. You know, pull the bone out like that. One bone fails, so you have one bone left, you know. And you grab that motherfucking wing, go like, nah. This is the best one. I say this for last, you know. I say this is the last. This is the best one. Best for last, nigga. First you get your little knot right. You see that little knot? Yeah. I can't. You can't see it. You get this part right here. You dip it, you know, dip it in a little barbecue sauce. You like this? This one side. Turn it over. Man, you also got some people that can do this right here. Stick the whole chicken in the mouth. But look at that nigga over there though. Look how he eat. He leave all the meat on the bone. On the bone. Look at this shit. I ain't finished.
Look,
I ain't finished. On the bone.
Look.
I ain't finished.
This nigga gonna slap the phone.
Look, bro, look over here. The cats get hefty off that motherfucker. Like, look at that shit. The cats will be food in the bone. This nigga right here, he drank his chicken in hot sauce. Look, he trying to run. He trying to run. Run from the camera.
Man, yeah, this your boy Ronnie Money. Yeah, we gonna holler at you though. This part 2, you feel me? But part 3 come out soon. We'll holler.